This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable lock screen notifications on Ubuntu. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on Ubuntu now. To enable or disable lock screen notifications, what lock screen notifications is, it allows apps, if it's enabled, it allows apps to send you notifications even if you're on a lock screen. To enable it or disable it, you want to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to your Show Apps button. You want to click on Show Apps. Now in these icons here, you want to find Settings. If you don't see settings in your icons, you can go up to the top here, you could type it in up here. Mine happens to be right here. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in this dialog box that opens here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to scroll down to where you see it says Notifications. I'm going to click on Notifications. Then in the center pane, the very top thing is Do Not Disturb. If you, by default, that's probably disabled. If you enable it, what that will do is it will stop all notifications other than important notifications like low battery power. You'll still get those types of notifications. But down below that is lock screen notifications. By default, that's probably enabled. You can disable it by toggling it off right here, or you can enable it by toggling it on. That is how to enable or disable lock screen notifications on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.